In order to find out the answer to this question, firstly, we need to find out what inclusion is. As a teacher, it is vital that all the needs of each individual child in the class are being catered for in order for them to learn and produce work to the best of their ability. However, this is not always easy to achieve, especially with a class full of 30 children who all have different needs and are of different academic abilities. One way to combat this issue is to use specific tools and resources which can help and support the learning of individuals. This is where technology comes in handy. In today's society, digital technology is forever advancing and becoming more and more accessible to people all over the world. Children as young as 2 are being able to use new technologies such as iPads with little, if not any, assistance from adults. I find this astonishing, as it seems that children of today's world are born with the intelligence and initiative to work technologies almost instantly. In many circumstances, children have grown up to know more about technology than their teachers, which just shows how much our world is constantly evolving and how the use of digital technology is becoming more exposed to young children. The new national curriculum states that computing presents the subject as one lens through which pupils can understand the world. There is a focus on computational thinking and creativity, as well as opportunities for creative work in programming and digital media. I feel that all these aims are appropriate and will benefit the children drastically, as they can then transfer these skills and the knowledge of different technologies across all areas of the curriculum. Additionally, inclusion also covers the 3 different learning styles: visual, auditory and kinesthetic, which help to show how children best learn. With this in mind, technology within the classroom should be able to be used to meet the learning needs of the majority of the children. An example of this type of technology is an interactive whiteboard. Its large visual screen, touchscreen and pen functions make it extremely interactive, as it allows people to control what's happening on the screen just with a touch of their fingers or by using the colour pens provided. Paul voices that BESD pupils, particularly visual or kinesthetic learners, relish the opportunity to carry out exercises involving writing and moving objects on the board, which shows that the interactive whiteboard can help to include all different children within the class. Specific types of technology, such as tablets and iPads, can help provide children with a communication and interaction tool. Their small, lightweight, transportable body makes them easy to use in all different settings and circumstances, which is ideal for children who need to access different areas of the school and means that learning can take place virtually anywhere. iPads and tablets also contain a diverse range of apps, which children and teachers can use within different subjects and to support different styles of learning, and also translation apps to support children with English as an additional language. However, it's not just the use of portable devices that help support inclusion within the classroom. There are also different types of keyboards, which have bigger keys and lettering, making it easier for children to press the right letter or number. They are also colour-coded to help children with dyslexia distinguish between the vowels and other letters and numbers, and they also have a glove that you can put over it, which can protect the keyboard from spillages and dirty hands. Windows operating system have a range of settings that you can modify to suit your needs and make the device easier to use. The magnify tool allows you to make pictures, text and other buttons larger, which is useful for children who have vision impairments. The narrator tool can read out on-screen text to you and can read out text as it is being typed. This can be a particularly helpful function for a child who is blind or who has a communication difficulty. The display option allows you to change the font style and size, the background colour, icon size and general colour scheme. This can be useful for children with dyslexia who can find it difficult reading things off a white background. These are just a few examples of the many settings that can help support inclusion whilst on a computer, laptop or tablet. I feel that using digital technology to support inclusion within the classroom is a very useful and easy thing to do. And, with the right care, attention and funding, these digital technologies can be used to help children and teachers within an inclusive environment both in and out of school.